We back. The boys have ADHD. South Park. Imagine, are you telling me these kids are normal? Only now they have ADHD. Okay,
I think they have deeper problems.
Let's see.
I hope you all did your homework last night. First of all, who can tell me what year the Founding Fathers got together? Let's see. How
14,
about...
Okay, no. Like 17 something,
Wendy.
right?
Phew, 1776.
Good job, Wendy. Who can tell me what famous person wrote the Declaration of Independence? Let's see. Oh, I know. How about the new student, Timmy? Timmy! No, it wasn't you, Timmy. Try again. Timmy, did you not do your homework? You need to work on your study skills. That does it.
Well, Timmy, I just don't know what to do.
What the fuck was that?
It's so hard to laugh at this.
I'm so confused. Like, what the hell?
The teachers are complaining that you aren't paying attention.
I think maybe Timmy is suffering from something called attention deficit disorder, or ADD. It's very common in kids his age. It should be easy enough to find out. They have tests for that kind of thing now.
And this is a very simple test which should determine without a doubt whether or not Timmy has attention deficit disorder. Timmy! Now, Timmy, I'm going to read you a book called The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald. In my younger, more formal years, my father gave me some advice that I've been turning over my life.
Wait, what the fuck does that have to do with ADHD?
Okay, now, Timmy, can you tell me, in Chapter 7, what kind of car did Gatsby drive? Timmy! Well, that settles it. This young man definitely has attention deficit disorder.
It took
well,
that
ADD
long?
is fairly common in kids today. I'm going to prescribe some Ritalin, and we'll see how that goes for little Timmy. Timmy. You better have done your homework last night, Timmy. What's this? Timmy. Please excuse Timmy from all questions and all homework as he has been diagnosed with attention deficit disorder. That's just swell, Timmy. Looks like you've outsmarted the principal and the counselor. Timmy. Very well. I guess you're excused from homework.
Hey, wait. I think maybe I have attention dysfunction disorder. Yeah, me too.
The function disorder.
Walk back to the hotel in the ring. In Chapter 12, what kind of bottles did Miss Van Kampen talk about? My God, these children all have ADD.
There's your prescription, Miss McCormick. $100 worth of Ritalin. Next.
So, you know, as dumb as this is, it kind of proves like points that they've been hearing about it, where it's like there's no scientific like diagnosis. It's all relative to the person who tests them. Because like, who the hell is gonna read a whole, say, 200-page book and remember one single detail? It's like everybody has ADD.
I wonder how people are. Yeah, I think it's something that I have to research about ADHD.
Yeah, because it's all about
on how they are tested.
Yeah.
Oh, hi, Sheila. Kyle gets so hyper sometimes he runs around and screams like a little 8-year-old.
I am 8.
Next, please. What do we have here? Ah, Ritalin.
Yes.
That's right. I got a bad case of ADD. No homework for me. Hey, guys. Have you been taking your Ritalin? Huh? No, we're not actually going to take that stuff. Yeah, dude. You got to try it. It makes you feel good. Hello, Chef. Hello, sir. Because we're on Ritalin.
What?
We all have attention deficit disorder, so we all started taking Ritalin.
So that's why all you children are acting so damn boring. Damn it, children, you don't need drugs to make you pay attention in school. In my day, if we didn't pay attention, we got a bell to the bottom.
Yes, but now we don't have any homework.
Those damn psychologists prescribe all kind of
black
medicines
voice
to
is
you
crazy.
children without even caring about the side effects.
Did you guys see that? See what?
Okay, children, let's settle down. My God, Mr. Head, these children are so boring on Ritalin. All right, children. Today we're going to learn about human reproduction. What do you think about that? Butt sex.
They're not even excited.
Well, damn it, Eric, don't you have some smart-ass thing to say?
Gee, you seem a little stressed, Mr. Garrison. Why don't you try some Ritalin? There you go.
Terrence, what brand of pants am I
Why the
wearing?
fuck did he pop him like a bunch of Smarties or Mentos?
Why?
What happened to him?
Why
Why
is he taking pills from kids?
Come on.
How do you like that, Terrence?
Let's watch something else. Yes, let's.
The hit group Timmy has broken up.
Oh dear, Timmy's band broke up? You know something? I think that's good. It was wrong to make Timmy a singer. Yeah, Phil Collins was right. People laughed at Timmy, and Timmy should be at home where he's protected from laughter. So it's decided. Phil Collins concert for all of us. Hooray!
Someone's gonna get slapped in the face. I told you.
You killed Kenny. Bastard.
Parents, I call you all together because I think you might be making a mistake putting your children on Ritalin. But I brought over a videotape to show you that there are alternatives to Ritalin.
Here's
here to tell you about my exciting new drug-free treatment for children with attention deficit disorder. If you would like more information on my bold new treatments, please send away for this free brochure.
Well, what do you think?
That video had pretty colors.
Damn it! Have you all been taking your
Oh,
children's Ritalin
they
too?
take Ritalin too.
Gotcha.
Chef, are you going to the Phil Collins concert tomorrow? Phil Collins is playing Lollapaloozas, and because we're all doing so well in school now, our parents said they would take us. His flowing melodies are really enjoyable to us.
Yes. Come with us.
Ah, it's Christina Aguilera again. She's on my back. Ah!
The Ritalin has affected your little cracker brains too deeply. Hey, open this damn door. What the hell are you two doing prescribing all the children Ritalin? But now you got a town full of zombie children from the planet Xandor.
Huh?
All around the country, you bastard doctors are giving children Ritalin. And for every one child that actually needs it, you give it to 50,000 that don't. Damn right I'll tell you your business because you two have got your heads up your asses. Thanks to you, we have children in our town that like Phil Collins. You've made them so dull and boring that they're actually going to go to a Phil Collins concert.
My God. What have we done? My God.
Then we need an antidote.
Yes, of course. I have some right here. It's a compound called Riddle Out.
All right,
Riddle
come on,
out.
let's get the antidote to all the
Riddle
children.
out is
Quick,
insane.
here, we can put the Ritalin antidote in these drinks and hand them out to the children.
Wasn't that great, son?
Sure was, Dad.
Here you go, Standing Kyle. Free drinks on me.
Oh, thank you, Chef. How nice.
Come on, drink it down. It's free.
Oh, no! Ah, get off me! Get off me!
Drink this, Eric.
God, help me! Wait a minute. Phil Collins sucks ass. Yeah! What the hell were we thinking?
I think it's working.
Phil
Get off the
Collins
stage, Phil
doesn't suck.
Collins. We
Shut the
want
fuck
Timmy.
up.
Yeah!
You just want to laugh at him!
No. Timmy! 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 Timmy!
Timmy! And yours of the underwear!
Lay down, you filthy bosses!
Okay, we're probably gonna get flagged for this audio. Probably gonna get flagged for this audio. We can't watch all of it. But yeah, those boys have ADHD. This video is so offensive. It's hard to laugh at this video.
No, it's not.
It's really
Wait,
hard.
how is this video offensive?
Hmm?
How is this video offensive?
It's offensive towards people who actually pay attention to mental health issues.
Talk about the kid in the wheelchair.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, he has a unique situation, but just generally.
And I doubt it's ADHD. It's not ADHD.
Of course
it's
not.
autism. He's
Yes,
autistic.
things like that. But that was creative, that song. But in any case,
Yeah.
please like this video and subscribe. Please like and subscribe and keep coming back. We drop videos all the time.